Hey, welcome back to Quality Cup Life, or if this is your first time, hello, welcome. um, and here we talk about how young adults can get to freedom and autonomy, and how we can do that by pouring into our cup first. You cannot give what you do not have, so let's pour it up and flow past capacity. All right. So today I am drinking coffee. I stopped by Chick-fil-A this morning. Ain't gonna lie to you. I got a grill bowl with a coffee, and I came back home and sauced the coffee up with a little bit of cinnamon, coconut oil, with some creamer, gave it a little bit of extra flavor. And then I'm also feeling real good today because it is not even 2:30, and I already have almost finished 50 ounces of water. So, boom. Alright, so today I wanted to react to a couple of videos, but for this particular video, I am reacting to, I saw Graham Stephan, shout out to y'all who know who that is, and he did a reaction video to a girl who's a 19-year-old millionaire, and I thought that was dope. And since we talk about money here as well, I wanted to react to the same thing. I have not seen this video before, so I'm sorry if I don't know what's gonna come out of my mouth. But yeah, and shout out to y'all who also know. Comment down below if y'all know what this show is right here. Oh, and also feel free to subscribe and share this with whoever you like, and if you like the video, like it. All right, let's watch it.
I made my first million by the time I was 19. I've bought over 7 houses now in total. My portfolio.
I'm sorry. 7 houses? That's cool, man. 7 houses. Okay, keep going.
Is worth over $5 million. Today, I'm surprising my parents with their dream house. So that's a hot tub with jets over there. All we need to do.
I'm sorry I'm pausing a lot, but I'm super curious as to how she got all this money at 19. I'm excited about what she's I'm excited about what she's gonna say about how she got all this money, because that's pretty cool.
It's the lottery.
Yeah, that's it.
What is your thoughts on this property? Hey guys, welcome to my $2 million mansion. Let me show you around. I was 19 years old when I got this house. My Barbie dream bedroom is almost 2,000.
She does look very, I'm sorry, not to be offensive, but she does look very Barbie and plastic-ish. She looks just like a Barbie doll. So, makes sense. Yo, did y'all see the hand chair? I've always wanted one of those when I was a kid. Like, I used to go in the furniture store with my mom, and I would always love to plop my butt down in one of those hand chairs, and you just kind of put your butt in the palm. Yeah.
Almost 2,000 square feet, which is the size of like a home. Over here we have Mr. Hefner. That's my Hugh Hefner. And over here is my dog's bedroom. It's pretty convenient because it's connected to mine. This is their bed. My makeup collection is probably a good $50,000
Wow.
or more. This is Affleck. He's living it up at the mansion.
Clearly.
On the lake. He's so cute. My lifestyle is super glamorous.
Okay, all the booty out.
Top-notch Barbie lifestyle.
So what type of stuff do you post?
I would say anything glamorous, bikinis, lingerie. I do a lot of requested stuff. I know I'm living like a lot of people's dream life right now, but I worked so hard. I probably change my clothes at least 5 times a day on a daily basis. I get bored wearing the same outfit, as you'll see. I think I've spent $50,000 in shoes. Since I've been 16, I've probably spent like
$50,000 on shoes. Okay.
definitely over $100,000.
Wow. Okay.
Easily. So this Barbie is actually from my 18th birthday. I actually moved out of my parents' house on my birthday, the day I turned 18. Packed up my car. I had no money, but I ended up making my way down to Florida, and this is like a reminder to me. I've gotten pretty far in life. I always wanted chickens. My parents would never let me have them. So
Interesting.
I Googled like the coolest kind of chickens to have, and I found them on Craigslist. Now I have 10 of them. I didn't have a lot of money growing up, but it really made me appreciate the value of $1.
She wanted to make money. She always wanted a lot out of life. She wanted a big mansion house.
Wow, you know, it's so interesting, like, when you look at how she, like, presents herself, and no shade, but, and then you look at how, like, regular her parents are, it's just, like, interesting. So I'm wondering where she picked all this up from, because clearly it doesn't look like it's from her parents. Like, her parents just look like regular parents. I don't know. I was expecting her parents to be kind of like, I don't know, glammed up or more into fashion or something. The mom has a cool hair color, though.
Since I was 15, that was my dream, to model. Around the age of 16 is when I started doing more professional photos, and I really enjoyed seeing a true fan base grow. The very first time I started making good money would be when I started live streaming. I started off making $600 a day, and from there I grew higher and higher, and I expanded that up to over $2,000 a day. So right now,
Oh,
my
wow.
car dealer is on his way. He's going to be surprising me with a new car. Hopefully it's something I'm going to love.
Okay.
Look at what I got.
That is really cool.
What is that?
That's dope.
That 2018 Vanderhall Venice.
Can I take it for a spin?
Is that a real car, yo? That's
So
cool.
cool. There's no door. How in the heck? Oh my god. All right, this is cool. So how do you drive it? Investing money into real estate is the best decision I
She really has all her butt out. That's interesting. Okay.
made. Overall, my portfolio is worth over $5 million.
Okay.
I've bought over 7 houses now, starting with no credit, no parents' help, no help from anybody, just myself.
Okay.
So yeah, the biggest deal I think I've ever got would have to be $750,000 in equity.
Wow.
So my parents live in Maryland still, which is where I'm from. Unfortunately, I only get to see them a couple times a year, and I'm going to show them this new property today I'm looking at. They have no idea that they're going to be able to live in it. I'm really, really close with my parents, and
I wonder what she looked like when she moved from Maryland, because she just looks so much different from her parents. I'm sorry. I'm gonna keep playing.
they lived in Florida where I am.
Hey Lindsay, how are you
Hi
doing?
Ryan, how are you?
I'm doing good. There's 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms. We'll start by taking you over here to the master suite.
Mom, what do you think?
Honey, I don't think this shower's big enough.
It's not big enough.
I would get lost in there.
Mother! Mom, where are you? Look at that gas stove. This is actually a really nice guest house.
Her parents are cute.
This is all her father and I would need.
So that's a hot tub with jets over
Yeah,
there?
it's a hot tub with jets, correct. Beautiful view. So what do you think? Does it fit everything you're looking for?
I mean, it has blown me away, and I might be writing an offer on it, but I need to talk it over with them because this would be their house. So
Okay.
it comes down to what they want, not what I want.
Sure, of course.
Yeah.
Okay, getting a house for the parents. I think what she said was like a $3 million house or something. That's cool. That's cool, man. I respect that. I'm sure a lot of people will be hating on her, or probably are hating on her, but I respect that. I respect that. That's
I know I
cool.
haven't really touched upon this subject yet, but you guys know I want you to move to Florida really bad. What is your thoughts on this property specifically?
You're gonna buy it for us?
Yes.
Right. Who gonna refuse that?
Surprised are you about the offer?
Very surprised. Can't believe it.
Yeah.
Dope.
Feels really good to be able to share this success with my parents because it feels amazing now to be where I am today, to be able to give them the life that they deserve because they work so hard, and I'm just really, really happy about that.
I told her the other day, Lindsay, look, you ever have any problems, I'm your rock. She said, no, Dad, I'm your rock.
I have big plans with investing. I am gonna be getting into commercial real estate. I still pinch myself. I'm like, oh my God, I'm waking up in this Barbie dream house. I didn't have anybody to guide me. You have to be smart, and if you really, really, really want something, I believe you can make it happen.
Okay. I respect that. I respect that. Okay. Huh. That was very interesting. Let me pause that. But that was very interesting. I think, I know a lot of people would probably kind of like, I don't want to say hate, but probably talk crap about she shouldn't be spending that much on shoes and she don't need to be spending all that on clothes. That's too much money. Well, if she's making, well, she said she went from making like $600 a day and then she got up to like $2,000 a day. But at this point, she's probably making more than that, I would guess. And so compared to whatever her income is, spending $100,000 and spending on her clothes and then $50,000 on shoes is not a big deal. It's not a big deal compared to her income. Okay, so let's say she makes $5,000 a year and she spends $50,000 on clothes a year or whatever. Like, if you compare $50,000 in comparison to freaking 5 million, that's, let me get my calculator. Yo, okay, wait. Okay, y'all. So let's say, I'm guessing now because I don't know how much she makes per year because she didn't say. But, or at least if she did, I missed it. But let's say she makes 5 million a year and she spends $50,000 on her shoes. Yo, that's like 1% of her income. If I'm doing the math right, I could be stupid or slow or something. But if I'm doing the math correctly, that's 1% of her income. And not only that, and 1% is freaking like dollar you have, not every dollar, crap, for every dollar you have, you spend a penny. Like, that's definitely no big deal. But not only is it such a small percentage of her income, but also it's a part of how she makes her money so she can write it off for taxes. So really, like, she's not even spending money, basically. That's wild. That's pretty cool. She's like smart about it. At least she's spending a lot of money on things that she loves, because she apparently really loves like to spend money on how she looks in shoes and clothes, and that is how she makes her money. So it's right. So she writes it off as a tax write-off. That's smart. So people probably look at her and look at her appearance and everything like that and how she lives her life and assume that she's dumb. Like, she's a dumb blonde and she doesn't know what she's doing, all that. But this young lady is pretty smart. I think that she probably could do a lot more with investments and stuff like that. But of course, this video didn't give a whole lot of detail. And I think it's really dope that she's getting into, or she plans to get into, commercial real estate. And that's really cool, because a lot of people who get to her level, especially the younger you are, especially, and on top of that, especially if you have no experience with money and you're not used to having money, you just kind of have like a broke people's mentality, or like you're just used to not having any money, and you don't know what to do with it. A lot of people would just blow through it, but she's not. And I also really respect the fact that she is buying that house for her parents. That's really cool. That's really cool. So from what I can see, I think it's dope. From what I can see, I don't know her whole life, and I'm just going based off of this 6-minute video, but I think it's cool. So comment down below what y'all think. If y'all disagree or agree, comment down below and let me know. Or if I messed up on the math or something, let me know what's the right math, because I have never claimed to be a math genius or anything like that. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and you like the video if you actually liked it, and share if you actually feel like sharing. So no pressure. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.